Hello YouTube friends and followers. So this is a saga of the $500 Mercedes and the front drive shaft, which I got from a good rebuilder, it looks like, from Detroit axle, I think. So anyway, I put the truck up on a berm here. Gonna crawl under there and see if the axle fits and what type of tools I may need. I don't know if I can change it here or not. As far as do I have the capability, or is it safe? But I'm right near Five Guys, and this has a pretty good curb to it, this little mall here. So here's the drive shaft I bought. This was $150 on eBay for the ML320, ML500. It has the two cardigan joints in it, which might be bad in my truck. I have a squeak when I drive, and when I put load on this thing, it squeaks. I replaced the U-joint in the rear axle near the center bearing. And I figure it's this front one because people were saying it sounds like crickets, but who knows? The 150, I guess, and some time under the truck, maybe I'll get lucky and this will fix the problem, or the problem is elsewhere. So I still may have a problem with my rear U-joint. The back drive shaft, the rear drive shaft has a U-joint at the very end, which you can see right there at the end. That one could still be bad. I couldn't get that one out, and I was able to replace the U-joint in the front. So there's a U-joint which is right there. I did replace that one. And so the rear drive shaft has been behaving, but now it's the front one that I want to replace. And I'm wondering if I can even do that under here tonight or not. Here's the front one here. It looks like I can access all the 6mm bolts right now if I wanted to. I could probably get a 6mm 3/8 drive on that thing and take them out. What I'm worried about is these back ones here. I don't know if I take this mount off, if it'll make the transfer case fall or not. I don't know if I have enough equipment here to do this right now, but I do like the fact that my truck is jacked up safely using a berm. There's nothing better than actually not using a jack at all. I have a jack in the trunk I could use to hold this thing up. So maybe this would work. It looks like the back bolts here are the ones that are going to be difficult. Probably a socket could reach in there. Guess I gotta give it a try. Thanks for watching.